Men, be careful of them foreign woman here because them not easy. Yeah, they will come to Jamaica. They go to the third world country them, find good people, good boy pitney, take them come a foreign and treat them like a shit. You can't go talk too hard in your own in the house. Because for them house. You understand? Them control everything what you do. The paycheck have to go in for them account. Because the account where them go have a go joint account because you're married to her. You understand what I say? Be careful of them. You understand? There is some wicked people. Me not tell a lie. Some foreign woman them wicked, them wicked, them wicked, them wicked. You understand? That same woman that you first meet, she's gonna change. She's gonna change on you. You're not gonna have no friend. Probably the only friend you're gonna have a fair friend them. You understand? If you talk too hard, she gonna throw you out. You understand? She throw you out or she body up. Because remember them women that strap, especially in America, they treat you like shit. You understand what I say? So before you think about you have friend woman, always think, yeah, do you really want to marry this woman to go to America? You understand? Because 90% of them foreigner no mean no good. And always think, why would they want to come to Jamaica to find a husband to marry? Man that they are foreign big enough. Foreign have enough man or woman over here. You understand? Sometimes you find you can travel and find love, you know. You can really fall in love, you know, but it's very rare. You understand? It's very rare. You understand? Trust me, some woman them can't find no man a foreign. No man no want them because remember them born a foreign, go school and everything, you know. So how come them can't find no man a foreign for married? You understand? They come and them trick you. When they go and find you realize everything with them attack, not go so they now no way. Them not really live no way. Them also not really all that. Do you understand what I say? You have to think. And everything this not goal either. There are some bag of lie. I've known friends. Yeah, I've known friends who them pack up them things in a black bag and fling them out in a coal. You understand what I say? Them take with them passport. You understand? Them threaten them, so them go revoke everything where them put up in a home office. We sort them out, then go revoke it. And said marriage broken down and all them something there. Some things, some people boy pitting go through and a woman alone go through it in a foreign. May have some friends sometimes it's sorry for them. You understand? So no feel no way on the bridge in their foreign and him can't send no money and them something there. Them can't even send money go to Jamaica without saying it to them blood cleat wife. You understand? Them no control them paycheck or nothing. Them can't send money to them mother or them pitney without saying it to her. A matter of fact, him have to tell her if he send money, go give mommy because him that will have access to your account. Do you understand? So be careful, okay? Be careful.
Me see some woman take up a style from where they come on the internet, all on TikTok and a disrespect the Jamaican man them somewhere. Me not like that. Yes, you no can talk where people do too. No can talk, but you see when you not talk, you know if you talk the story right. Talk how the story go. Because me I listen to all of you. Most of you when me can get for watch so far. Me I listen to you. I know I talk one side of story. Talk the full story them how they go. Because you see, some of you set up on yourself to get used. Reason being, you know 99.9% of the time, you know say the man them not single. You know say they have them baby mother, them or them baby mother, or them girlfriend. You know, and you still other man say you not go take a girl, man. You know still other man and say yes, me go take a girl, man, cause me dey foreign and me in a better position or so, or man go run come to me. You know still other man. You know how much family you break up. Talk them things there. Talk how much home you take sweets and wreck. Talk how much picking left down here without a father figure, all because of uno. Bang no say I not buy man, you know. I no take a girl man, I buy no buy. And for the little punk man them, me not talk for the little clown them where uno can take sweets and just spin them so make them forsake them pitney them mother forsake all themselves. Me not talk for them one day. Me I talk the real Jamaican man them when I settle for foolishness. The real Jamaican man them when come on the internet and not burn. You no feel like say we are gonna holler uno fi drag them out. You no feel sir? This is some no? No have a style like this. Me realize say the 30 at late 30s up in the 40s, uno come like say uno crutches they on fire. Uno want man more than anything else. Some man no breathe out, you know. Terrible, breathe out. Mileage high. And nobody no second phone, so no say, alright, The man them in Jamaica, them in needs and them in a wants, you know, so we can run good on the go hold on pan a girl, man. Run good on the go hold on pan a boy somewhere. And we can get in up because, you know, them in a needs and them want, they like to hear about foreign woman and this and that. But I know that, the game change. Them no want to know. They want better for themselves and their family. And they didn't know what the man them sign up for. And they didn't know say I never love. 99.9% of the time, you know say the man them have their woman. And have them family. And still wreck the home and mash up it. And then when time things come and touch you no back, you know compare hint and then, oh Jamaican man, nobody do. Lie. Jamaica have the best man them. Me mean best man in a bed, in a kitchen. Jamaican man can work. In a everywhere, bed everywhere. We not a lazy boy down at this. So no stop come like say you don't want to come style we man them some kind of way. You not putting yourself in a position to get used. Because you not buy man. You not catches them on fire. You not settle down, you not wait till you mileage high. And breathe out, you know want Jamaican man to come on the yard, come settle down with you. You know did talk so sometimes man them up there. Then can't call back them family them down here. You know did talk that. Sometimes man them can't deal with them family them. Who know if you know everything. Me know a man right now we having baby mother them down here. When time me want to send the money come I wife if he send it. Some man no hate the baby mother them. Like so the baby mother them do something. Me I got make this clear. Me not have no man when a girl take. Me I make this clear, but me see things that happen. Some man no take the man them and no mash up the family them and no hate the baby mother them. We no hate the pitney them. Sometimes a man want to come to Jamaica come spend little time and want free man with the family. All because I don't feel like say, he might go down there to baby mother now. Who don't have to fly back, man. The man don't have no time and no space. Who up there and the man up there and not treat them like dog up there. All because papers. Jamaican man have tape left from now. And when time when I see baby mother them in a fire, no allow them. Allow them. Because guess what? The Jamaican man them, I tell them woman everything now. And then woman write it out. So when they get the papers, them are left for no. Them are left for no and send for baby mother down there. So I send for uncle and auntie and cousin down there. So and care their whole family and friends. Some don't have no style. What you no give, you know what you no get. Same as how you get them, same as how you lose them. You know if you talk, how much home you no mash up. Talk about that. Talk, you not talk one side of story that me can't take. Talk how much home you know to come ball, you know to shut on the mouth. You know a home wrecker. Shut on the mouth. And take on the use and go sit down. Shut up. And come off of women them. Come off of them. Me don't want none of you to talk. Come off of them. Because if you ride this out with the man them. So none of feel like you can come. Some of you shape like friggin' camel. And shape all kind of way, and feel like you can come take little dollar and not go take away man them for we don't. We finna ride that out with the man them. And we are below sort of, you know. We are make life out of, you know. So now always feel like say, you know, they on WhatsApp profile, and know they on status, and know they on Facebook profile, that not change it. We are ride out because we understood the assignment. So when time we not take with man, and not take with family, and not turn it upside down, and not say we take back with man and come up a friend, come live, shut on the mouth. Shut on the mouth, because we are gonna be the cousin. We are come live with you know. We are gonna be the helper. We are come live with you know. Because we understood the assignment. Anything you want to get, you know, if we take. Karma. You know, come off for internet, but Jamaican man, every man the woman born. Jamaican man, them this. Jamaican, you know, come off. I know Jamaican man alone left woman. I know Jamaican man alone cheat. Come off of them. Come off of them. I don't want you none of you know. I try style man them. You know, talk our story. You don't want punk them. You don't want clown them. And it now work out. That's why I'm sour. You know, sour and bitter against them. And it now work out for us. Because we understood the assignment and big up all of the Jamaican men. We now make no girl foreign use, no sweet and punk and clown. And make you abandon, pity them and abandon, come from. Me see you deal with them. All because them in a one situation. Me see you clown them. Me see you deal with them. No, no innocent. You don't feel like you can't take with man them and can come a friend and treat them bad. I like a punk one them I go stay around, you know. You like a clown one them. You like a sauce up, you like a butter one them. I not talk about the butter one them. Me a talk about my real Jamaican man and we are left for no. Dump for no. Yeah. Run gone left for no after them get what they want. And them man them me a big up in another video. Big up all of my real Jamaican man and we no forget dump. Cause see them wanna get them, we no know say man them have them people them. And no still put yourself in there and no mash up family. We no do all kind of shit. And then when time the man they reach a find, you no feel like say the man them feel all about you know. And who no chill a load of picking in them and forget feeding them down a yard. What the fuck do you know? That nah play. That nah play. What the fuck do you know? What the fuck do you know? No saw me I sweat. That nah play. The time hot. That nah play we are watching you know. And all I baby mother them on no eat as me I go say. None for them me see how no treat the baby mother now no go up on Facebook and no talk about the girl them and no do all kind of same thing. So sitting when me soon no stay up there and do. You know is a set of despicable human beings. You know wicked too no one kind. So don't know what come by internet come ball about. Oh me Jamaican. Love them. Left them. Oh no problem. Oh no. When you no reach, when you on the 40s, you no settle down, you no man. You no breathe out and rev out. Somehow you no want, as soon as you no get Jamaican man come a friend to come stay up with up there with you no. You no tap walk. I no want Jamaican man sit down and pay all the bills and mine, you no pick me them. Talk about that. Talk about that. Man them can't call back for them on a yard. Talk about that. Talk how you treat them. Make them leave, you know. And nobody can now run from good. Talk on the treat them, make them leave, you know. Them supposed to leave, you know. Only little punk them when they can't clown. Anytime when they can't get to clown them and punk them, when they come, oh, Jamaican man. Left them. Left them. Uno crutches there, uno crutches there, uno no worried. Too desperate, too desperate. Uno too desperate. Uno no the younger, I'm all kind of man a breed, no want settle down and no want married. But when no rev out, breed out and no mileage high, Jamaican man no want. If you left their woman and their family for uno, not happening. Uno no have more, but uno go ball some more. Uno go ball some more. So, working money and send it come give the boy. That boy mind everybody. And uno go there on profile, and I go there on status, and I go get wife up. 24/7. Una go get my, una go hear things in my, una go dep on the status for your 10 years and now come off. Una dep on profile picture for your 10 years and now come off and we still not left with man. How about that? How about that? Una forget use. Una understand on yourself, una too desperate. Una supposed to get used. See them wanna get them and see them wanna go and lose them. And we are turn down here. If me should have find myself in a position like me, I stay down here, me I go stay low up on you. I'm gonna be the cousin that gonna come to your yard and stay. I'm gonna be the niece. Yes, I'm gonna be. You're not too desperate. You're not too desperate. And I realize say woman them 40s I'm up and do them something. You're too desperate. A Jamaican man I don't have to call second phone and look a riff rap front. Ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Shut on them out. And come off the internet. Anything you get to no tech. Because the present bed hard, I'm going to lay down in night.